I was speaking to you yesterday about when you first got into cleaning tennis courts.
Oh yeah.
You started using the equipment that everybody else used, which is what? Is it a lance? Did you call it?
Yeah, basically the way the trade normally does it is they have a fairly small powered pressure cleaning machine which delivers the water through a long tube which we call a lance.
Right. And what you were saying, the problem with that
Well,
is if it's too close to the surface, what happens?
if you're too close to the tarmac surface, it will rip the tarmac up, destroy your paint. If you're too far away from the surface, it won't clean the surface.
Right.
So with a lance, it's very, 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 very difficult indeed to keep that at a constant height above the
Don't
tennis
they
court.
just walk around with it?
They just walk around with it and they just move the muck around.
Right.
It's a very, very ineffective way of doing it. We started doing that 10 years ago, and then machines came onto the market which are called whirlaways, which have a bar that whirls round, so you have two nozzles, and they're very effective for a very short period of time, but they basically fall to bits.
Right. So you ended up making your own equipment.
Yeah. The head that spins round on our machines costs £1,000, and we have three of them for three different machines. And the reason for that is it's the robustness of the system, and it guarantees that the nozzle and the water is an exact distance from the tennis court at all times.
So, as you said, the lance potentially could damage the court,
Yeah.
or else if it's too far away, it doesn't clean the court.
Yeah. If you see somebody using a lance on a tennis court, they don't know what they're doing. Because if they did know what they were doing, they wouldn't be using a lance.
Right.
The only time we use a lance is for cleaning down the fences at the end of the day and cleaning the equipment.
Right. So your kit stays a consistent distance from the court.
Yeah.
For maximum.
And interestingly, the distance from the court varies from a tarmac court to an acrylic court to a rubber court and a carpet court. So we have set distances which we've determined using a rig that I made to actually measure the force of the water on the surface.
Right.
So it's only a matter of millimeters, but it makes a major difference to the effectiveness of the cleaning.
Right. Okay, that's brilliant. Thanks for that.